Right now you can see in my hand this is chin mount, and we are going to install in our helmet. And be continued with our video, and we are going to show step and step how to install in a helmet. So this product I have ordered from the Daraz, and it is really worthful products, and we are going to give full review of this product. So firstly I am removing this plastic from the box, and you can see this product, and the inside plastic there is some bill that is not necessary, and this one is for the like mobile holder. And so I will also going to remove the protective plastic of this mobile holder. And so you can see this is the mobile holder, and there's some clips to install. And this is the chin mount where we can install in our helmet. And in this part this chins are installing there. And then after I will also going to remove this plastic and take out this everything from the plastic. And then after these are the clip and screw, and then after this chin mount. And so this clips is used in the chin. And I am also going to install the helmet. Then after you can see here inside the helmet there is some technically things we need to understand, like this chin mount is the where it is suitable to put in the helmet place. So basically we need to press on this one, then after it will be unlock. After unlocking this we need to this is the uh, soft material. It's like for the attach with helmet strongly, and the other part is the hard plastic material which is tightly attached with the helmet. And so while putting on helmet we need to little bit upward your helmet ears. This thing we need to put upward. Then after we need to install in the helmet. And then after from inside we need to insert this belt. And then after we need to lock with this belt. Like this you can do in your helmet, and you can install the belt. And then after installing belt we need to adjust the belt. And then after we need to tightly hold it. And then after it check tightly pull attach with your helmet. Then after I will adjust the size and the shape of this chin mount. And you can see here how is it properly attached with my helmet. Again I am tightly looking it is properly attached with my helmet or not. Then after it's fully attached with my helmet, and there is no any doubt about the tightly and strong of this chin mount. And this is for the mobile, like while inserting mobile we need to use this screw, and then after mobile holder. So this screw is basically for the mobile. Like while I insert this mobile holder we need to attach with the mobile holder. Like this bolt we need to attach with this mobile holder. We need to do tight with this one. Then after we need to put on the chin mount, like in the gap between the hole we need to insert there. Then after I will tight with the screw. Like this screw we can attach there. Then after we can tightly hold there. After tightly holding you can adjust the size. And whenever you are want to shoot your video like vertically or horizontally, you can choose according to your choice. Then after I will keep my mobile in the camera holder, and like this you can put there. And then after I am also going to wear the helmet and going to look about how is it looking, and it is really good product or not. Then after you can see it is good way to looking, and it is a better way to like recording your video in both horizontally and vertically. You can record your video from your mobile with mount scene. So this is for the mobile, and so we are going to again put GoPro, and then after putting GoPro we can going for test. So I am going to put GoPro. Basically we need to take out these two screw of the GoPro and attach with the mountain, like you can attach with the mountain. Then after we need to tie it with this screw. You can see here, like this you can attach with your screw, and then after we need to do tight with the screw, because if it is not a tight, then it might be may fa- fail from while traveling or while recording a video. That will be the huge record loss for you. So we need to be careful about while inserting this GoPro camera. So this is a little bit careful while putting. And so now we are going to test how is it really worthwhile product or not. So in this video we are going to test this camera and it is really working or not. So I am starting my bike and we are moving forward for the uh, testing. So let's start, and I have started to testing. This is the video of my GoPro with mountain, and the quality of GoPro recording video is very good, and everything is very good, and this is what product. Thank you for watching our